In this guide, you'll learn how to create a YouTube channel with parental controls enabled. To get started, launch your Chrome browser. Now head over to the website youtube.com. Then tap the first link that appears. Before creating or using a YouTube channel with parental controls, there is one very important step you need to follow. Click on three dots. Scroll down, select the option Request Desktop Site. This will load the full version of YouTube just like a PC and give you full access of all settings. Once the page loads, now click on your profile icon. Now scroll down and look for the option Restricted Mode. Restricted Mode is a built-in YouTube parental control feature that automatically filters out mature or inappropriate content, making the platform safer and more age-appropriate for children. Simply turn on the Restricted Mode toggle and your YouTube channel will now have basic parental controls enabled. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.